Welcome back to Views with TJ, Jennifer News. I'm Jerome Houston. If you haven't done so and you enjoyed the content on this channel, please subscribe to the channel and also click the bell notification so that way you'll be notified of future updates and uploads. All right, so at first I was going to do a story on Jason Momoa on what he said about the new Aquaman movie, The Lost Kingdom, where he said that the movie's going to be about climate change and stuff, because he's been an activist against climate change and for climate change and everything, where he's looking to advocate for the environment itself and help to better it, making an awareness for it. But there's been some late breaking news as of this morning. What is it? Amber Heard fires her lawyers. Okay, so she hires new lawyers and fire her lawyer that she had in the previous trial, so that way she'll go ahead and be ready for the appeal. So I'm not sure, like, if she's going to have a case for the appeal and everything, but it's like she hires a new legal team for her appeal, and she fired Elaine Bredehoft. Okay, so it's a good thing that she did that, but at the same time, I don't think she's going to get anywhere. But yeah, so Deadline and TMZ had talked about this. They reported this. Okay, so it says here Amber Heard is replacing most of her legal team and leaning into the Constitution as she prepares to appeal a multi-million defamation verdict awarded to Johnny Depp. All right, so not entirely unexpected, the move by the Aquaman actress to cut loose her main attorney, Elaine Bredehoft, follows weeks of judicial jockeying by both the Rum Diary co-stars to have another kick at the courtroom, with notices of intended appeals. Having seen ex-husband Johnny Depp awarded $10.4 million by Virginia jury on June 1st after an often acerbic and explicit 6-week trial. You know, with the trial including the one witness by the Heard's legal team, who was from my city, my hometown of North Virginia and everything, at the Eastern Virginia Medical School. The guy who went eating away at his mouth and everything. And Heard has now hired David L. Axelrod and J. Ward Brown to represent her attempt to rescind the judgment. Ben Rottenborn, the Virginia-based Woods Rogers Vandeventer Black will remain as co-counsel. All right, so she's hired this new legal team that she wants to win and everything. But I'm still doubtful that with the evidence that's been played in the court in the previous trial. But is she able to appeal? Apparently she is, if she hired new attorneys. Okay, so I could have sworn that she wasn't, able to appeal. But let me know in the comments below if it's true or not. All right, so, and this decision was to bring on board the ballot fire lawyers Axelrod and Brown when they made a court filing in the Old Dominion, which is Virginia, the Old Dominion state. All right, so the makeup of new Philadelphia original defense team makes it apparent that Heard's appeal will focus on the First Amendment aspect of her legal faces with Depp. So in other words, she's stating that she had her First Amendment rights, that she was able to say what she said about Johnny Depp, whether it was true or lies. Okay, but I'm not sure if that's going to sway, because for one, Johnny Depp is not the government. The First Amendment only works when it comes to the government intruding on her rights. Johnny Depp is an actor. Okay, he's an actor, and there's no. I'm not a legal expert, and I'm not a lawyer, and I'm not trying to pretend to be one. But the jury found that she slandered Johnny Depp. She put his name out there, and that she ridiculed him, and she spread lies about him. Okay, so it's just basically the jury of her peers and stuff, but will she have a case? Doubtful. So they were quoted saying, "Well, we welcome the opportunity to represent Ms. Heard in this appeal, as it is a case with important First Amendment implications for every American," said Heard's newly minted attorneys in a statement this morning. We're confident the appellate court will apply the law properly without deference to popularity, reverse the judgment against Ms. Heard, and reaffirm the fundamental principles of freedom of speech. Axelrod and Brown added. Okay, so they were specialized in the freedom of speech clause in America's founding document, where the two were as served as counsel to the New York Times successful battle against Sarah Palin's libel suit over a sloppy June 14, 2017 editorial in a paper in the Quirky Corrected article where the New York Times initially drew a link between the ex-GOP vice president candidate's political action community and 2011 mass shooting that tragically saw 6 people killed, and then Representative Gabby Giffords severely wounded and likely to be appealed. Mass singer contestants Palin's legal action was unanimously rejected by an Empire State jury and the judge overseeing the matter on February 15th. So, will they actually win this case like this they did last time? I'm not sure, but I'm honestly highly doubtful, okay, because there was like a lot of evidence in that trial. All right. So it's like Johnny Depp sued her in March 2019 for $50 million over late 2018 Washington Post op-ed about what she said about him, where she slandered him. Okay. And then this article goes into further detail about it. All right. Now, TMZ, they basically said, reporting the same thing, but they stated that the actress who was currently appealing the Johnny Depp verdict announced today that she's hired the law firm of Balance Swire, like it stated in Deadline, okay, and for the appeal case. Now, does she have a case? I'm highly doubtful, but she got a new legal team. I'm pretty sure they're going to come up out the woodworks where they're going to go ahead and put everything on Johnny Depp, do research, use the First Amendment as for the freedom of speech clause and everything. But the thing is, like I said earlier, Johnny Depp doesn't work for the U.S. government. He's an actor, okay? He only works for the Screen Actors Guild, I mean. All right, so she's basically bringing on the same legal team that represented Sarah Palin. Okay, I'm not sure if she approached them. I'm not sure if they approached her. Most likely, she approached them, and everything, and then went ahead and agreed to it. All right, but will this also last long? Will this also actually reach up as a case? We don't know. All right, so now, while she's getting all this together, Johnny Depp's already moving on. Okay, living his best life, signing a multi-million-dollar deal back with the cologne company that dropped him before over all this mess that was caused by Amber Heard before. All right, so he's also going to be starring in movies. Now, will she have a case? Don't know, and honestly, I'm highly doubtful about it. But what y'all think? Do y'all think she might have a case? You think she might win this time, or is it going to be the same results where she's going to have to be forced to actually pay the man the money? All right, so let me know your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. And if you enjoy what I shared in this video, please smash that like button, and also click the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and then smash that the bell notification, so that way you'll be alerted of future uploads and updates. Until then, everyone, peace.